Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Almost chapter is completed. Some of the portion it is left. So we will discuss today and then we'll continue with the exercises and question answers. So kidney stone was left. Yes. UTI was done. Urinary tract infection. Yes. What is urinary tract infection? Yes. Raise your hand.
Ma'am, in this the bacteria E. coli is passed through the anus, but there is the very hard odor and that itchiness,
Burning sensation and all.
burning sensation.
Okay, sit down. So it causes because of bacteria E. coli, and how it reaches in a urinary tract from the digestive tract from the anus. Sometimes it reaches in the urinary tract and causes the infection there. So if we drink a lot of water, it can be prevented from this urinary tract infection, because lots of water it helps to flush out the bacterium from the urinary tract only. Or yes. So what is the cause? Insufficient water intake along with a diet rich in calcium are the main cause of kidney stone. Means if we take calcium rich diet and we drink less water, then there are more chances of this kidney stone. Calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate. Means calcium rich food along with someone is drinking less water. Calcium or calcium phosphate. Calcium rich food and drinking less water. These are the causes of kidney stone. And urinary tract infection caused by E. coli. This infection also can be prevented by drinking more water. More water, so it helps to flush out the bacterium from the urinary tract. E. coli infection also, because this bacterium causes the infection in the urinary tract, and when we drink more water, so with the urine passage, when we drink more water, then more urine formation is there, so the bacterium flush out with the urine and then we save from the infection. So usually what happen when we drink more, means like more mineral rich food and we drink less water. So during filtration in the nephron, these minerals are left, and when they accumulated more, they become a stone. So when we take more mineral and when we drink less water, then there are chances of kidney stone formation, right? Other places also, means like gallbladder stone. Also there are two common stone these days. We are very much listening about the gallbladder stone and the kidney stone, and the stone formation occur because of this only, the means calcium rich food or the other mineral rich food and the less drinking water. So the mineral are not means like extra mineral, extra vitamin, extra protein need to be excreted out from the body, need to be removed from the body. If they would be accumulated somewhere, they would be what you can say, harmful for the body, because extra glucose and extra fats, they can be stored in the body. Extra glucose in the form of glycogen in the liver, and extra glucose in the form of fats also in the adipose tissue, and extra fat in the adipose tissue is stored. But extra protein is not stored. It's not like, means like the body can utilize whatever it is and rest it is stored in the body. No, extra has to be excreted out, removed from the body. It need to be removed from the body, otherwise it causes problem, it causes disease in the body. Then kidney failure, I told you yesterday only, if both the kidneys stop working, then the person has to go on dialysis, regular dialysis, or for kidney transplant. Otherwise no other way to save the person's life, because very important function of the body is done going in the kidney: filtration of the blood, purification of the blood, removal of waste from from your blood, that's occur in the kidney. So if kidney stop working, the removal of the waste will be stopped and it will be accumulated in the body, and that's poisonous. So the person lead to death if both the kidneys stop working. So if it stop working, one has to go for the dialysis or for the kidney transplant. Understood? Around 400 times in a day, the blood filter in the kidney, the blood filtration occur in the kidney around 400 times. So continuous filtration going in the kidney, continuous removal of waste from the body is going inside our body, and continuous removal of waste from your blood in the form of urine formation is going on. So if kidney failure would be there, one is the dialysis, means with the help of dialyzer. Dialyzer is a artificial kidney. Like in the kidney, what happened, blood goes in the kidney, here the filtration occur in the nephron, waste is excreted out in the form of urine from the body, and the pure blood goes back to the body. In the same way, dialyzer is a machine, means dialysis machine is there. In that means we withdraw the blood from the body with the help of tubes, and then the blood pass through the machine, as like in kidney is going in the body. So there the process of filtration occur, removal of waste occur in the machine, and the pure blood sent back to the body. So this artificially we clean the blood with the help of this artificial kidney or dialyzer. Artificial kidney is also known as dialyzer. Artificial kidney or dialyzer. Another is kidney transplant also. If donor is there, someone ready to donate, and then blood group and all it's matched also, and someone is having, means either the family member, because the family member will not take money, the unknown, the other person will ask for the money, and that will be very a big amount. So it's not that easy. Everyone is not ready to donate kidney, but this is also the way to save person's life. If someone means like donated, and the kidney transplant would be possible. Now here is an exercise. Now the chapter is completed. You can start the exercise now. Write true or false. Correct the false statement by changing the first or the last words. Just raise your hand, okay? Don't make noise. First one, the lungs excrete water and salts. Yes, Fatma. Lungs excrete. It's true. Lungs excrete water and salt.
It's false.
Then how to correct it?
Ma'am, lung excrete, they, they changes oxygen. Means carbon dioxide. They excrete carbon dioxide.
Yes. So how to correct it? You can change. Yes. Yes. The lung, in place of lungs, you can write kidney, or there you just write carbon dioxide. Water and salt you remove and carbon dioxide. Either you change the lungs to and write kidney there. The next one, the function of kidney is to filter urine. Just raise your hand and tell me. Blood. So it's false. And how to correct? You just change the word urine and I want book tomorrow. Okay, that's fine. Now the third, sweat is a mixture of water, salt and urea. Raise your hand. It's true, yes. Yes, urea also. Some of the amount of urea is also there in the sweat. Yes. Then fourth, renal vein brings blood carrying waste into the kidney. Hafsa. How to correct it? Ariba. Renal artery. The correct way you make it renal artery. Kidney failure. Now the next kidney failure patient have to undergo dialysis. Mariam. It's true. Yes. First let Dabinder say, then.
How this happened? Yes. Yes. That I don't know. Happened because. When jaundice is when a person have a jaundice, that when they like when I speak. Yes. Like what speaks in Ma'am, yellow color come in their eyes, na? Yes.
It's an infection of liver. It's an infection of liver. It's caused by the germs. So means like the liver functioning affected. And you know that liver, how important it is in our body. I told you more than 500 function it play in our body. It release bile juice for the emulsification of fat. It maintain the glucose level of the blood, and it only help to tell the nutrient the way, means the decide the way of the nutrient where they supposed to reach, where they are needed. So here this liver functioning affected because of the infection. Because of that, the infection can reach through the dirty water. If it not cured in the early stages, all the diseases Even the cancer, if it you just what you can say diagnose it and start treating it, and means like on the first stage if you just take care of any disease, it's not severe. But when you take care, when you just avoid it and reaches on the last stage, any disease will be severe. All the diseases I am saying, small to big, if you not take care, if you avoid for the long time, then it can lead to death also. And even the severe diseases, if you just know it on the very first stage and you start taking care of that, then there are more chances of survival. That is the thing.
Now, how do babies have it? The babies is so much literally aged that
Yes, kidney stones and
They just can be, by through the heredity or any deformities during the formation of the baby in the womb. They can be. So that's why we should be always thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for all the blessing what Allah has given us, and the most precious blessing is the health, because the health is something like we cannot purchase. Even the artificial organ, artificial things we can use, but that cannot compare with the natural organ. Okay, let's start the first section one. Name, don't say like this, just raise your hand. Name the following: the structural and functional unit of kidney. 2 hands only? 3 hands I have seen. Yes, one. Who is this? Yeah. New student. What's your name, beta? Ilma. Yes, Ilma. The structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, Fatma. Nephrons. Nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney, as we studied in very lower classes, second, third classes, that cell is the structural unit of our body, of an organism, you can say, because all the organisms are made up of cells and all functions occur in the cell. In the same way, kidney is made up of nephron and the function also occur in the nephron only. So that's okay. Iman, second one, a straw colored liquid that is removed by kidney. Urine. The next, an organ that stores urine. Ilma, you sit down. An organ that stores urine temporarily before it is released. Yes, Habiba.
urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Then the fourth one, the tube originating from renal pelvis. From the renal zonera. Yes, ureter.
Ureter.
Ureter. From the renal pelvis. Ureter. And then bacterium causing UTI. Yes, Tuba. E. coli. Now the next, choose the correct option. Which of the following is the outer dark region of kidney? Outer dark region of the kidney, Hafsa? Renal cortex. Yes, here cortex is written. Okay, fine. Now the next is, sit down. The excretory organs are Iqra. Kidneys and lungs. Now the third, the blood vessels carrying metabolic waste into the kidney is sit properly, Tabinda. Everyone. Afsha. Renal artery. Okay. Now the excess amino acid is changed into urea by
Pancreas. No,
Not pancreas. Liver.
liver.
Ma'am, third one. Oh,
Fourth I asked.
ma'am, third one. Order.
Renal artery. Fourth one liver. Before being removed from the kidney, the urine is collected in renal. Where it is collected in pelvis. The all collecting ducts come in the pelvis. They open in the pelvis and in the ureter. Now the next exercise. Fourth is liver.
Fourth one is liver.
Now exercise C. Write true or false. Correct the false statement by changing the last words.
Ma'am, means the last word is incorrect.
Apart from excretion, the other function of kidney is secretion.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, true.
Hmm.
Secretion will cancel and filter.
Osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is also done by the kidney only. Maintain the balance between salt and water. Yes? The function of kidney is to filter urine. Again. Salama.
Filter blood.
Okay. So the function of kidney is to filter blood. We do the same point here on the previous page also. Okay.
And I got that one.
Okay. The urinary bladder store urine temporarily. The same we have. Same was there on the previous page also. No?
No, ma'am, apple.
Okay. Yes. True. Now the next is the opening of urethra is controlled by a valve.
Ma'am, it is a muscular and it's called the sphincter muscle.
Sphincter muscle is a valve only, but you write it in sphincter muscle. That's fine. In sphincter muscle. In sphincter.
Ma'am, S-P-H-I-N-C-T-E-R.
SP in sphincter. Yes. Muscle also I have to write or you people will write? In sphincter muscle. S. Muscle. Oh, mom.
High concentration of calcium oxalate can cause kidney stones.
Yes, true. High concentration of calcium oxalate can cause kidney stones. Yes, it's true. Now the next exercise D. Choose the odd one out and give reason for your choice. Yes, Habiba.
Cortex and reason is because all the rest are the parts of excretory system.
Ureter, urethra, bladder, they are, and cortex is the part of kidney.
Excretory.
You write yes, cortex, and then why? Because it's a part of kidney.
Now we like part of kidney or we like part of excretory system, rest all are the part of it.
They all are the part of the excretory system only, but when you write means as a part of organ of the excretory system. It's a part of the organ of they are the organ of the excretory system, and cortex is a part of the okay, yes, so it's a part of the kidney. Next is yes, Afshan. Afshan, yes.
Ma'am, uric acid.
Reason.
Reason is
Hmm.
because of excretion. Ma'am, it is what, ma'am? Because
But not you say your answer. Don't continue with the but.
because urine contains calculated nutrients we are not related.
Tell me the odd one out. According to you. Uric acid. Okay, and then anybody else?
Question number 3.
Glucose. Why? Reason?
Ma'am, because carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid are all related to excretion except the glucose.
They all are the waste except the glucose. Glucose is a nutrient. Then cortex, medulla, pelvis, ureter.
नहीं.
Which? Glucose is a nutrient and rest are waste substances. Okay.
And urethra, because these all are parts of kidney. And
Ureter, because it's a part of urinary system and the three are the part of the kidney.
Ma'am, stomach, because breast all secrete unwasteful, नहीं wasteful substance.
They are excretory organ. Kidney, skin and lung, they are the excretory organ. Stomach is the organ of digestive system. Secretion also, okay, you can say, but no, here it is a part of digestive system. Now state the exact location of the following organs. Kidney above the waist, okay.
no, below the liver.
Let us say this also. And below the liver, one is the below liver, where the other go. Liver is on the one side only. Yes.
Ma'am, second one is after covering of
Nephron, only outer covering of the
Cells located.
nephron.
Ma'am, kidney cells nephron.
Oh, where they present in the kidney?
Yeah, inside the kidney.
Kidney is made up of nephron. Then renal medulla.
Ma'am, I concave of kidney. No, inner part of kidney. What?
Inner part of the kidney.
Inner part.
Then ureter,
Part of urinary. Downwards through the
where it is located.
originated from the renal pelvis.
Ma'am,
Yes, originated from the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis. Where it is there, it continues the renal pelvis only. Ureter.
It is from there.
Then urethra.
Ma'am, I can.
Okay, sit.
And out the kidney.
End of the kidney, urethra.
End of
Ma'am, I can. Below the kidney.
One at a time. One at a time.
End of excretory organs. End of excretory.
That's not.
And lower end of the urinary bladder.
Very good.
Lower end of the urinary bladder.
Yes, lower end of the urinary bladder. Yes, Tavinda. Now, section second. Define the following term.
I can. Ma'am, I can also.
Okay, Afshan.
Ma'am, first word is the frozen pelvis, metabolic waste are removed from the body of an organ.
Second one.
Okay.
Ma'am, UTI is an infection that affects organs of the urinary system.
It's an infection which affect the urinary tract.
Ma'am, urinary bladder.
Hmm.
Urinary bladder stores the urine after being filtered. Temporarily.
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 The
process of excretion of urine.
That's he told. Now micturition.
Ma'am, and the process of excretion of urine. Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, the process of exclusion of urine to the
Expulsion. Explosion, not Expulsion.
Many good things.
Okay, continue.
Nephron is a microscopic filtering unit present in the kidney.
Ma'am, you didn't give me one chance to
Okay, means like I didn't read also. I don't. Okay. Okay, you Zubia, exercise G, first one.
Tell me of microscopic filtering unit. Filtering unit.
So much confused. Let her say yes.
Ma'am, ureter
Hmm.
is the urethra is the part from where the urine
Hmm.
goes, and ureter is the
Yeah.
part
Ma'am,
where the urine reaches the urinary bladder.
Hmm.
Next.
What is the difference between ureter and urethra? Just function you have to tell.
Ma'am, it transports urine to urinary bladder, and urethra
Urethra.
excretes the urine.
Excrete out to remove from the body. Urine remove from the body. Then next, excretion and respiration. Yes, Tuba.
And the process by which metabolic wastes are removed from the body of an organism is excretion, and the process by which food, glucose is oxidized to produce carbon dioxide, water, and release energy.
Yes. Name I'm forgetting. Alia, yeah. Alia, yes. What is respiration?
Ma'am, last chapter, last. Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm saying respiration is in the previous chapter. Ma'am,
Alia, sit down.
and the respiration is the process by which food is broken down to liberate energy.
It's a process of oxidation, means oxidation of glucose, and by which the body gets energy. Now the next, lungs and skin, yes.
Ma'am, lungs excrete carbon dioxide and skin excrete sweat and oil glands.
Okay. Skin.
Skin.
Sorry.
When you say sweat, the urea comes in it only. I understood your point. Okay. Now the next, excretion and osmoregulation. You mom.
Excretion is the process by which metabolic wastes are removed from the body, and osmoregulation is the process the kidneys maintain a balance between salt and water. That process is known as osmoregulation.
Now Iman, yes. Renal cortex and renal medulla.
Renal locations.
Hmm.
Renal cortex is outside, means the outer region of the kidney, and renal medulla, the inner region in which the cells are located.
Okay. Now the next exercise, exercise give reason for the following. First one, metabolic waste need to be removed from the body. Okay.
Because if they would be inside the body, they could cause many bacteria and infections.
Because the metabolic waste are poisonous, and if they would be accumulated in the body, the organism or the person lead to death also. The regular removal of the waste should be there. If they would be accumulated, the person would lead to death only, because they are poisonous in nature. The flow of urine is regulated. Why?
Regulated.
Should be regularly urine removal. Hmm.
Ma'am, because the urinary bladder will be pushed. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, because if the urine will not be regulated, so the kidneys cannot take out more
Backflow of the urine would be there and not able to filter the blood continuously. So means like that's why we say that we should not stop urine for the longer time. When you feel the means like for the micturition, one has to go for it. It is advisable to drink sufficient water to avoid the formation of kidney stone.
Ma'am, because the bacteria because of more.
Hmm.
Ma'am, because drinking more water will lead to the flow of bacteria through the way of.
Just use first you read it. What is there? We're talking about kidney stone, not UTI. So it helps to flush out the extra minerals from the body.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, the lungs are excretory organ. Ilma. Lungs are excretory organ. Yes. Alia, lungs are excretory organ. Why we consider lungs as an excretory organ? Kabinda. So, just general question. Why we consider lung as an excretory organ? Although it's a part of respiratory system, but we consider it as excretory organ. Why? Yes.
Ma'am, because it exchanges gases.
Ma'am, because it releases carbon dioxide and that is harmful for us.
Because it helps to remove carbon dioxide from the body, and carbon dioxide is a waste of process respiration. At the time of respiration, carbon dioxide release and that need to be exhale out. So it helps to exhale out.
Ma'am, why carbon dioxide is needed to exhale out?
It's very important. If it would be means like hemoglobin is a carrier of carbon dioxide and oxygen. If carbon dioxide would not be removed from the body, oxygen cannot be combined with the hemoglobin, and due to suffocation, person can lead to death. A person can live with one kidney.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now short and long question answer we'll discuss in the next class, inshallah.